Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Tina. If you're new here, welcome. We create amazing Go High Level tech tutorials. And in today's video, I'm excited to share with you a new feature High Level has implemented into the conversation AI chat function. Before we get into it, I would highly recommend you sign up for a free trial, get on that 30-day free trial, which comes with a full bootcamp, many different courses that you can go through, one-on-one setup from the team. They will be there 30 days to support you all along the way. If you haven't signed up yet, get that free trial. If you're already on a subscription and you're thinking about upgrading, think about doing that via my affiliate link, because then you can snag amazing bonuses, which are all linked below, such as a Gohighlevel agency snapshot, a marketing agency snapshot, a review AI snapshot in case you want to go and sell reviews to local businesses. And if you decide to go full on SaaS, you will be able to access over 500 white label videos that we've created for you without even mentioning any brand or high level or anything like that. So you can implement it and reduce churn and ticketing. It comes with a full support snapshot, so you can handle your tickets in-house and don't need to outsource that service. Again, click the links around this video, check out all the bonuses, and without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on human handover action inside the conversation AI chats. This feature comes in really handy if your bot is, for example, struggling to find the right answer, or maybe even the person on the other end is a bit frustrated and they feel like they can't really get anywhere with the bot and just really need to speak to a human or speak to the manager. And they literally tell the bot, hey, please connect me to a human. And that feature will help you to connect that conversation right to a human. It eliminates dead ends as it detects the smart escalation, meaning when the bot gets stuck, it will understand that it is stuck and will help itself out, so to speak. This will improve customer satisfaction as well as efficiency for your team, because you can also attach different tasks at the end when the conversation has been transferred, such as notifications to your team members. So you can fully customize triggers and actions based on your scenario. Let me show you how you can set this up. So first, let's navigate to AI agents on the left. Click on Conversation AI at the top, click on Agent List, and then here you can select your AI agent. Click on Bot Goals, scroll down, and here you can see the human handover action. Click on that and you see this pop-up showing. We have 3 pre-crafted options right here: human requested, lack of information, or failed to resolve the issue. Now you can either turn on one of them, 2 of them, or even all 3 of them. Down here you can also add a specific scenario yourself. So let's walk you through all of them. Let's start with human requested. To enable it, you just turn on this little button here. Here you can see the scenario name, human requested, then the trigger condition, direct request to speak with human. And down here we have example phrases the person on the other end would say, so your customer or maybe somebody who was just visiting your website, hey, I would like to talk to a manager, or I would like to talk to a human. If you would like to add different phrases to it, you can just click on add example phrase here and then add your phrase. Scrolling further down, you can see that you can assign a user. You just click the drop-down menu and then you would select any user you would assign this conversation to. Here you have the option to turn on skip assigning if contact has an assigned user. This means if the contact is already existing in your database and somebody else has already been assigned to that contact to take care of it, this action will be skipped to assign a new user. This one is the final message the bot will send before handing over the conversation to a human. You can fully edit it. In this case, it says, sure, I'm transferring your request to a human agent. Someone from the team will get back to you within 24 hours. Now here I would edit this if you say, hey, we want to get back to the people within 12 hours or 48 hours, whatever floats your boat. Next up, we have the reactivate bot after however many hours, days, or minutes. I like to keep this low because maybe the people have another question in case it's a support bot, for example. Then yes, one problem has now been handed over. Let's say one of the staff members gets back to us within 24 hours and they know, but maybe the client has another question. So we don't want to kind of like block them from asking another question. So I like to put this on 2 minutes. But again, this really depends on your case study, all right? And then here you can decide, hey, would I like to create a task on the contact for this particular user, yes or no? And then, of course, you can add a tag to the contact. Once you're done with your settings, you just hit save. And you can see now we have the human requested feature turned on. Next up is the lack of information. Same thing, we turn on the scenario. We can assign a specific user or not if we have already user assigned. We can modify the final message. We can reactivate the bot after a specific time frame. We can create a task and we can add a tag. Once done, hit save. Next up, failed to resolve the issue. Same thing, enable the scenario. Select your user you would like to hand this conversation over to in case there is no contact assigned just yet. Modify the final message if you would like to. Turn on or off reactivate bot. Modify the hours, minutes or days. Create a task or not. And add the label or not. If you would like to turn off any scenario, just simply go back, flick the switch up here, hit save. Do that with the others as well you would like to turn off. And that's how easy it is. Down here, you can also add a new scenario. So you see human handover number 4. You can give it a name, a custom name, your own trigger condition. You can add, again, example phrases, really the same as before. Assign a user, add a final message, reactivate the bot after this many hours, minutes, or days. Add a tag and or delete the scenario. Now I will show you where you can make sure that you have notifications turned on for all the users. For this, go to settings bottom left, select your user in question, click on edit, click on notification settings at the bottom, and look for notify when a conversation gets assigned to me. Then here you can turn on or off in-app notification, emails, and or SMS. Scrolling further down, you can also modify the task notifications, get a reminder every 15 minutes before an upcoming task, and notify when task gets assigned to me also here for in-app, email, and SMS, okay? Please note you can configure a maximum of 3 handover actions per bot. Make sure to tailor the handover process to match your team's workflow and satisfies the customer expectations. Consider assigning conversations to specific staff that have specific availability or expertise. Also consider creating tasks with clear deadlines, so never a task will ever fall through the cracks again. If no team member has been assigned during the setup, no team member will automatically be assigned if there wasn't an assigned user previously to that contact. So it's best to just assign a user whilst you're setting this up. The team will get notified immediately after the handover and a new task will show up under the tasks list. And yes, as you know, there is a way to track all the conversations that have been handed over via simply adding a tag. And yes, for certain workflows, if you don't want to hand it over to a human, you can just simply turn off the feature. Well, I hope you like this feature. And if you're considering selling AI bots to your local community, make sure to use my affiliate link, get that 30-day free trial, and I will see you on the other side.